In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create item-level permissions in Microsoft Lists. Users can only see their own items. If you manage a list where people submit forms or track tasks, you may want each person to see only the items they created. We'll use a built-in SharePoint setting that locks down visibility and editing to the creator, with no custom code. Start by opening your Microsoft List in SharePoint or the Microsoft Lists app. On the List page, select the gear icon in the upper right and choose List Settings. On the Settings page, click Advanced Settings. Now scroll to the section labeled Item Level Permissions. This is where you control what each user can read and edit. First, under Read Access, select Read items that were created by the user. With this option, users will still be able to open the list, but they will only see their own entries. Everything created by other people is hidden from them. Next, under Create and Edit Access, choose Create Items and Edit items that were created by the user. That means they can add new items to the list, and when they come back later, they'll only be able to modify the ones they originally created. When you're done, scroll to the bottom and click OK to save your changes. That's all it takes. From this point on, anyone who has contribute or edit permission to the list will only see their own items and will only be able to edit what they created. Site owners and administrators continue to see and manage all items, which is helpful for auditing and reporting. The restriction applies across standard list views and search results, and it's enforced whether users access the list in the browser or through the Lists app. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. These settings apply per list, so repeat the change on each list where you need this behavior. If you use custom forms or automation like flows, remember they run with the permissions of the account that triggers them. To verify the setup, test with a non-owner account or an in-private browser window so you see exactly what a typical contributor sees. If you later need to relax or tighten access, just return to Advanced Settings and adjust the same two choices. You're not changing the data itself, only who can view and edit it. And that's how you configure item-level permissions in Microsoft Lists to keep each user focused only on their own entries.